Read that. Pause to read that. Okay, now that you paused to read it, here's my take. It is okay to say no. It's okay. It is okay as a business owner to say, I don't want to do it. Or I'm overscheduled. I can't fit that. It is okay to turn down a job that you are not comfortable doing, that you don't know how to do, that is not in the scope of what your business does. It's okay. I feel that a lot of times as human beings, we want to naturally please. And as business owners, we want to please. We want to make money. So we want to please our clients or our customers, and we want more income, more people coming our way. And to get more people, you have to be open to change, or you have to be open to jobs, and you have to perform them. But you have to remember, not everything is something that you can do or want to do. And it's okay to say no. Politely, respectfully, you can decline a job. You can say, no, I'm sorry, that's beyond the scope of my cleaning, but let me find another company that I can refer you to. You can easily say, no, I'm sorry, I'm not comfortable doing that. No, I'm sorry, I'm not familiar, I don't know how to do that. It's okay to say no as a business owner. If anything, you should say no. You're only one person. Even if you have employees, there's only so many hours in the day. There's only so many muscles in your body that you can use. There's only so much mental capacity in your brain that you can hold. If you take on too much, more than what you can handle, you will burn yourself out. You will not be ready to work the next day. You will be mentally burned. You may be physically burnt out. And what good is that to you if you can't work the next day because you've taken on too much? If you take on jobs that you don't know how to do, if you take on a cleaning project and you don't know how to clean it, don't take it on because you risk damaging the surface. Is that worth it? No. No. If it's the middle of winter and your client is asking you to drive through 4 feet of snow to go dust some bookshelves, is it worth your life? No. You're not a brain surgeon. You don't need to be there in 4 feet of snow or icy road conditions and risk killing yourself. No. No. It's okay to know your limits. It's okay to have boundaries. It's crucial. It is a matter of life and death in many situations to be okay with saying, no, I'm sorry, I can't do that. No, I'm sorry, that's beyond my scope. No, I'm sorry, I can't book that on my schedule. No. And not just as a business owner. Take this into account for your everyday life. Don't overschedule yourself to the point of exhaustion. Nothing wrong with being unbusy. Now, of course, as a business owner, you want to be busy, but you have to know your limitations. You have to have boundaries. You have to respect what your employees are comfortable doing. And you have to let your clients know that you as an individual and you as a business owner have boundaries. You have limitations. We are not robots. We are human beings. And we have every right to say no to something that just does not feed our soul, does not make us happy, may put us in a dangerous situation, may cost us our business. We may end up ruining something if we're not sure of how to do it. None of that's worth it. None of that is worth the headache. It is okay to say no. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.